These are always a favorite when we get them in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1964 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sport Coupe, or two-door hardtop. All right, first of all, I kind of put this one into the Resto Mod category, and yes, it is a true SS. 64, the VIN style number of 5837 will tell you that. Now, when I say Resto Mod category, it now has a 454 crate engine in it, Phi-Tech fuel injection system on it. It's paired up with a 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes. And I'll get into some more, but first let's take a look at this. Chrome in the bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. You can see more of a modern headlight, high intensity discharge style light. Original ermine white car, paint code 936, 786 on the trim, so it was an SS. Red interior, still has a red interior, but that's also custom. All right, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to get you right to our website where you can see the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Intro polished wheels. You can see that Willwood disc brake behind. That is at all four corners, slotted and drilled rotors. And again, power brakes. It's also been lowered, as you can see. QA1 suspension, tubular control arms. You'll be able to see all of that in the underside pictures. You can see up and down this passenger side also, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. That paint looks good. Note, side glass is tinted, as well as the rear. '64 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sport Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal SS, and I'd also put this into the Resto Mod category. I'll get into that in just a bit. All right, so first, true real SS. VIN and style number 5837 is the derivative on that, so we can prove this is a real SS, two-door hardtop. Now when I get into the Resto Mod, this now has a 454 crate engine underneath the hood, Phi-Tech fuel injection on it. It's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, Willwood disc brakes, all four corners, slotted and drilled rotors. Take a look at the chrome. Bright work up front, headlight surrounds, grille. Original ermine white car, 936 paint code. Interior, SS interior 786 in red, so still original colors. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Intro polished wheels, and there you can see those Willwood brakes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Tinted glass, as you can see on the sides. Know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Car has been lowered. QA1 suspension, tubular control arms, TMI seats when we get to the interior, also a 6-gauge in-dash cluster, true dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome in the rear and bright work, also looking good, standing tall. UniqueClassicCars.com. Once again, all those still pictures. Take a look at the underside. You're going to be able to see the suspension, exhaust. And if you like these Malibus or you're like into Chevelles, no matter what era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Driver's side, free of major nicks, dings, scratches. You may have a little touch up here or there, small imperfection, but overall, this car is showing very well. There's the TMI seats. Beautiful bucket seats, center console, seat belts front and rear. Did notice the sail panel on the interior is missing the fabric, as you can see right there. Otherwise, how's the headliner look? Otherwise, looks good. Tilt column. Key is underneath the dash. Move the seat belts a little bit. There we go. Keys underneath the dash right there. This start or engine start push button. That's where it looks. Alright. There's that big block fired up. See the tack is working. Nice throttle response. Fuel gauge working. That was a cold start. Wouldn't expect temp to be up. Oil pressure and volts. Radio's also working. Nice custom install. Take a look at the trunk pics. You'll see what I'm talking about. A couple outlets. Of course, the overdrive trans. Dash looks good. Check out the engine bay. And of course, stick around at the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive too. There you go. Good look underside of the hood and engine bay. So it looks like a 6-rib serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator. There's the Willwood brake setup. ATI ignition, power steering, Edelbrock intake manifold. Again, that Bitech fuel injection system. Optima battery. It's a good looking engine bay. Fun one to drive and take to the shows. Bring yourself home some trophies. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sport Coupe or 2-door hardtop, real deal. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Slightly customized, you could say. Beautiful steering wheel, interior seats, the center console custom made with an automatic shifter in it. Left turn signal is working. We have a JVC stereo in the dash. Sounds very good. Acceleration, nice firm shifts on the automatic transmission. Tachometer reading about 1500 RPM as we're doing 55 miles an hour. Classic instruments gauges. There's a little slack in the steering. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Temperature approximately 180. Really close to 180. Our oil pressure is about 60 psi and the bolts are charging about 14. Carbon fiber treatment around the gauges, going very well against that red, white, and black carpeting. Cup holders between the seats. Very nice. I would say redone interior. It's so nice. Brakes smoothly. There's a little squeak coming from the driver's door. If you hear that, that's all it is. Corners nice and flat. This car's ready to perform. And sounds good doing it. Fun car to drive. Plenty of acceleration and comfort and nice in the corners as well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1964 Malibu at uniqueclassiccars.com.